For finally, in Saka, the court video of Anas Armia Anas Enike in Japan. For those of you who don't know what is really going on, the camera update on this particular platform say Anas Armia Anas a bra and a sue in Japan in court say Ken and Simbi can find on various platforms so we are there or extortionist in your man Hano and Anas is in Japan even in Accra here in Ghana and also Okwa Bruce could sue in Japan say number 12 exposing no and Ken in reaction and those things has really caused a injury to his reputation and his career as a journalist. Now, Ghana, the we learned say he got like 40,000 cedis as compensation, but then Abuja, Ken Japan has lost the case. He has been ordered to pay about $80 million in damages, just to in compensatory punitive damages and also actual damages. $18 million to Anas Armia Anas. Now, the case, it has not really, the plea and the jury's verdicts have not really been entered because Ken Japan lawyers, per se, they are saying that they have certain, they want to declare the whole thing as a mistrial and basically, they have certain exceptions. So we'll come back to that. But then there's a video, actual video of the first time we are seeing Anas Armia Anas. By the way, that's Anas on the screens together with Ken Japan. And in the video, Babet showed, during a brand new judge, or announce a case, Anas or announce a verdict, you will see Ken Japan with Anas on the same row. You watch a video of a bra judge, Ken needs to pay $80 million. But then the plea has not really been entered. You watch this particular video, so because a lot of people and even Ken Japan, and in US, so they are reacting to this and saying, this is definitely going to be a big blow to Ken Japan.
In our initial finding, we awarded $18 million and a breakdown, presuming $5 million, actual $5 million, and punitive $8 million. With your verdict and your note, your jury service in this case is complete. I truly have enjoyed working with you. You've been an attentive jury. Thank you so much for your service. You are discharged.
Defendant would like to thank the jury for this request.
Get out of my can. Thank you so much. Everyone appreciates your service. Okay, so the court's decision, if we start at the end, the court is denying the request for mistrial, and everyone can file motions at the appropriate time, and the court will address everything after the motions are filed appropriately and then responded appropriately. Does anyone have any questions about anything? Okay. Good luck to everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming on for
judge or announce say Ken Japan issues and lawyers in raise they are really objecting to it, but then they'll give 30 days before they enter the jury's verdict. Say Ken has to pay $80 million. So Ken is not paying the money right now because the judges have to do some background checks, and also they can see if they can really circumvent the whole thing. But then share a bra judge announce say Ken Japan should pay $80 million to Anas Armia Anas. Now, let me break this down. $5 million actual damages. Another $5 million compensatory damages. And punitive damages they drink in Japan. So, $8 million. So, 5 plus 5 plus 8. $18 million. That's $80 million. Okay, in Abuma. You question a brad judge announce we will continue because Ghana phobia, as I was telling Ghana phobia, our US they start reacting to the issue. Together with even certain journalists or more crew.
In our initial finding, we awarded $18 million and a breakdown, presuming 5 million, actual 5 million, and punitive 8 million. With your verdict and your note, your jury service in this case is complete. I truly have enjoyed working with you. You've been an attentive jury. Thank you so much for your service. You are discharged.
Judge, the defendant would like to thank the jury for their support.
Get out while you can.
Okay, so basically that was exactly what really happened now. As you can see, they ended the whole thing at Chesana Junior. Now let's really clock in this. Many Ghanaians outside the country are reacting to this. Answer the whole take on this, and if you watch social media is talking about, so this is what Agyapong has any nipa bako or bar out every kind.
Tiana's are winning defamation case, against Kennedy Agyapong. $80 million. Hey, the American system near you, $80 million. Where they tell me broken heart and broken heart, yeah. Munti Papa Shin what? Yes, out on all platforms. Papa Shin.
Okay, so that was a cheap alago. But then, share social media what some Ghana phobia can or say where if a Dave or say not necessarily Gaman focus. I don't case no. Aquaman or Ghana, I said Aquaman or Ghana, Aquaman or US, and Oyen Faton said Johnny Depp, any Amber Heard, which are Hollywood stars and all my warrior who said Johnny Depp or Lusu case no UK, but by US no be near, and not just not necessarily Johnny Depp versus under Amber Heard. Johnny lost in the UK court but won in the US court. Perhaps another thing is it exposes Anna's lack of respect for the courts in Ghana. He goes to the US court, he submits to attending the trial without disguise, but wanted to do so in Ghana. So basically, Omupa say, I didn't tell Anas or call courts in the yin ewo I see an name obi ehu ebra Ghana de yes ombra court or ba na wa share marks yes say onyi ni marks or so onyi aha eni nyina account yin no so fi or say legit series or say like it be Ghana like he win Anas. And away for Jaru and so on. So this possible, or so this a possible motion of reaching $90 million. Or so there's a possible motion of it reaching $90 million. And away for budget open. Or so it rather raises concern about the credibility of Anas too. He went and marks in US when money was involved, but refused that in Ghana. All this was for personal gains after all, not like championing democracy or whatsoever. In the amount for Casa Anas, wako yi wini mo bi manson ye de be yi wini ma usi unyi. And away fi a year Gaddafi Nkrumah or say Ghana court doesn't have integrity and credibility. And away fi bra our cabos or say see Anas and away fi Ronaldo or say what or say we are watching Kevin Taylor live. So basically, even Kevin Taylor was even streaming it and this definitely, I'm a man for be ABC question said this whole thing abano. What is really the meaning of it, and even where do we even go from here? It's here for yes, once again, share a brief background of what a judge a kind ye bar ye better also.
Awarded $18 million and a breakdown presuming 5 million, actual 5 million, and punitive 8 million. With your verdict and your note, your jury service in this case is complete. I truly have enjoyed working with you. You've been an attentive jury. Thank you so much for your service. You are discharged.
Judge, the defendant would like to thank the jury for their support.
Get out while you can. Thank you so much. Everyone appreciates your service. Okay, so the court's decision, if we start at the end, the court is denying the request from this trial, and everyone can file motions at the appropriate time, and the court will address everything after the motions are filed appropriately and then respond appropriately. Does anyone have any questions about anything? Okay. Good luck to everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming up, Brett.